Hi guys. So it's been a while since I didn't do a video walkthrough on YouTube, and I think it's about time now. And we have a few new features since the last video we did. So hopefully I'll show you some new tricks and things that you can do on Bravemark. Yeah, we got the bento style, which is a pretty cool grid layout view that we have now, and yeah, I will show you that towards the end of the video. All right, hope you enjoy it. All right, so what I have prepared is I have a little project I worked on a while ago. So this was a brand identity project called for Webb that I did a couple of years ago. And so this is a sketch document that I prepared, kind of a brand board. It's a design that I then published to be a PDF or an image where they could see how the brand was used. So just want to show you around this brand board first before getting started. So yeah, so we got the logo here, kind of section. Then we have the logo in a smaller size, just a logo icon, some visual elements. Here we got the colors. Got a mock-up here of a t-shirt. Got the logo icon as well in color, in black background, in white. A few other elements, brand elements that we had selected. Some kind of banner idea here as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to take some of these ideas and replicate them into Bravemark as a brand page. So I'm going to be doing this, yeah, while I do the video. So you kind of can see the whole process of actually, exporting the images and putting them up. All right, so let me just export the logo to get started. Why not? And I always like to do it in SVG. So you can take SVGs in Bravemark, so why not use them? Let's do like this. Just keep that in there. All right, let's get back to Bravemark. So we create a new project. We call this the web brand page. Let's go with the start template. Okay, so we have our little template here that will help us. So first of all, let's go with the colors. I think it's good to get them in first thing. And let's just copy these colors. Where are they? Look at that. Perfect. So just take that one. We're going to call this green. We got our blue. Put in the yellow in here. We have a purple as well. Purple there. We got this black color as well, or dark color. Put that in there, and one more color, white gray, that I use for this project. It's quite a lot. Oops. Oh no, that's good. Yeah. Oh. There we go. Okay. So let's actually name these as well. Light gray, purple, violet. Maybe violet is better. Dark. This is this kind of red. Webb yellow. Webb blue as well. We're gonna have the Webb violet. We can move this one over here just to organize it better. Okay, we got the colors. That's will be our base. What we want to do is we want to replace the logo, so we'll delete the logo here and find the logo here that we uploaded. That's it. Now we got it there. So okay, we want to give this a title. Let's see, Webb brand page. I mean, maybe, you know, with a little bit more time, we can make this a bit more exciting. I'm just going to go ahead and do something pretty quick. Let's just call this. So this is a brand presentation for Webb. Brand guideline for Webb, I think. Anyways, like that. We want to change this one here as well straight away. So let's just we click on it there. That will open up the settings here. Let's delete that and pick that one as well. Let's pick this one here. Boom. Okay, now we got that there. So that's our start. I mean, that's pretty quickly done. Let's see what else do we have here. Should we bring in this background color? I'm not sure. Just thinking. We'll worry about that later. So let's take this other logo icon here. Put it SVG. So logo mark black dark. And let's see, where do we bring it in? Should we bring it in here? Maybe in one of these boxes that we have. So this was called, okay, cool, that's it. And probably want to have here, okay, so should we have this image here instead then? Matrix. We bring this one in. And okay. It's changing it there much really, isn't it? Anyways, we want to have is we want to take this background color there and let's put it in. We'll make it look better. Add the background. Okay. So that kind of works. Maybe we don't need these titles. Let's just keep it a bit more conceptual. We don't want comments here. I mean, when you have more time, we can work on that. But let's make it more, yeah, visual. Okay, so we got those two guys. Let's see. What can we bring here from the other ones? So maybe just logo mark color. Let's bring this in. What's happening? Here we go. Delete that. Got the logo mark color, and here we delete that. Bring in the matrix. No, what do we call shape? And this had the green background, so we'll copy that color there. Come in here, put it as background. Remove these titles, remove the comments. That space there. Save that, why not? So it's good to save now and then. Swap the order on these. So that kind of looks like that. And actually we do want to, let's move this up one. So it's like that, it's underneath. I think that's might be a bit better. Okay, we have this other one here. Let's see. So we have, actually maybe we should try and replicate this so we have three things here with color. So let's export this one as well. Get this one. Shape. I'm gonna bring in, so here we have here our stack thing. We just want to bring in another image module here. And we'll drag in okay. We want this to be blue, so let's pick up the blue color here. Background color. Boom. Delete the title. Okay. And I'm thinking I want to move this one in here, not this one here. So you see, it's very easy to drag modules around and put them inside other stacks. And this one actually, let's remove this for now and put in here the other shape that we had, shape 3. That's it. Oh, it didn't come out with the little colors. I missed those. So let's put them in. Let's do it again. Same shape 3. Boom. Let's delete that and up. Shape 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's better. We have, yeah, move this one to the other side there. Yeah, we can click Command dot. We can see the full width. This sometimes, you know, a bit better to visualize it. And then you press it again, Command the dot, and you get your sidebars. Yeah, I mean, this is looking pretty cool, I would say. Let's continue. So we want to have a few more shapes. So maybe one with some text. Let's use this one here. So let's take this text, put it as a title. Let's take this text as well. As a text. Okay, and we want to make this a little bit bigger. So let's go like that. That's not bad. All right, we want our purple color. So copy that. Hit the box, find the background color here. And you can change the text color as well. So that's going to be here. Okay. that does that. So yeah, at this moment, can't have another image here in the text module, but I mean, that will do for now. And we can put here on the other side, let's put in this dark block, red block, sorry. Let's put in the red block. Copy the color here, background color. Let's kill and take away this logo here and logo. Oh yeah, we don't have an invite yet. Let's see. Let's export that. So logo. Let's bring that in. There we go. And maybe we should bring this other element in as well, just to finalize it. So we have that. Export that shape. And bring in another image module here. And we want yellow background color. Click that to copy. Background color. All right. Okay, let's delete the title there. Okay, that might look a little bit better. Do we want some titles? Let's, I'm gonna get rid of the titles because I'm using them here. Okay, let's get rid of this one as well. And here we're gonna remove the title. So it's all very just visual, really. Okay, this section here we need to do something about. I think what we're gonna do here is this black one. We're gonna export this logo, which is the inverted one. So logo inverted, or whatever you want to call it. And we're gonna put it in here. Logo inverted. That's it. And this needs background color. Let's go here, background color. There we go. That's that. So we already have this, which is not bad. I think what we need now is a few of the mockups. Let's have this t-shirt mock here. So maybe I'm gonna put it in here so we get the full thing. 2x here. Make this JPEG a little bit smaller. T-shirt. We go here, and yeah, I'm not too sure how we want it yet. So actually, I don't want it to be an image. I want it to be a background image, so it covers the whole section. That's more like it. And of course, because you see it like this, we want to give it a bit more vertical space. Here we go. So I can open it like that. Let's get away the title. Oh yeah, we have this section here. Right, so maybe we need to upload here a logo. What about we put in the white? Okay, we can have that. It's not too bad. Maybe position this differently. Let's see. That doesn't change too much. Okay, I mean, that could be interesting. So you can have the logo there, and then the background. The quality doesn't seem too great for some reason. I wonder if I did export this in 2x. Ah, no. All right, let's try it again then. Background image. Okay, yeah, that's a little bit better. Put it fixed there. Okay. So let's see the full view here. Webb. Let's put up these two above, I think. Let's move these guys up. Select here and then push both of them up. And maybe we want, yeah, we want to move this one up as well. Put it up. So we have that like this. Black as well, we move it up. And we have the black part after. Let's have a look at it in full view as well. So yeah, we have this section, our colors here. We have this final section here. All right, let's look at the design. What else can we take from here that we like? This is actually, this looks pretty cool. I like this. I'm just thinking maybe it's the best way to put this. Maybe I'm gonna just export the whole thing. We need the little dots as well. It's not the same thing without them. Let's export that. Oops. Shape 5. Let's bring in the toolbars and throw in a stack here. What do we put in here? So yeah, want the image module, background image. Let's put that in here. It's shape 5. We have to cover. Yeah, so we have this, which is not, yeah, it won't be visible when published. So we can just stay there for now. I'm just thinking here what I want on the other side. So the same could go for this one here. Just thinking maybe what if we, yeah, this big section here, I think we should push it down. Let's push it down so it's together with the black designs, the dark designs. Okay. So it's kind of like the clear stuff, and then we have more dark color versions here. Let's look at the design. What else do we have here? There's this big red thing. Oh, we have this one here. I guess we could export to that card. Yeah, not taking much time to name these things. So background image as well. Oops, not background color, background image. And that was card. So that goes in there. Here we go. Give it a little bit of vertical space here. Okay, we're gonna remove this bottom thing here as well. And we keep the footer white, so maybe this section here, we can actually move it down to the bottom, like that. Yeah, what you guys think? I mean, it's like 30 minutes now doing the presentation. Maybe the color should be at the bottom. Yeah. Okay, let's try that. Colors to the bottom. So one little trick you can do as well. If you want to move it to the very bottom, you press Shift and then you press the arrows and it moves it to the very bottom. So like we press Shift and we move it to the very top. Now it's here. It's a little shortcut as well. Okay, so now it's at the bottom. Yeah, I mean, I'm happy with this. I think, you should spend a bit more time, but for presentation purposes that I have now, I think this will do. So let's just go ahead and save, and let's publish. All right, copy the link here, open a new tab. Let's try it out. This is published on the web. Oh, look, I missed a little thing there. Let's fix that. Where is it? Here, this one. Take away that title there. Let's have a look at it again. I think this could be, let's make it a little bit, make this a little bit more vertical space here, there. How about these guys? Yeah, a little bit vertical space. I mean, white space is always a great thing, right? And these guys are in full height. That means that when you go here, it will just cover up the whole viewport, which is very cool, right? It's adaptive, so it depends, whatever your screen size is, or whatever device you're using. So if you're using it on a phone, it will also just occupy the whole viewport. Anyways, let's continue here. Maybe these guys as well, a little bit more. So sometimes you need to click around a few of them to find out which one will give the the vertical space, because they kind of work together. And this one here, give it a little bit more vertical space there. Yeah, same with these guys. What about make them full height? What do you think? Should, let's see. So yeah, I mean, there's always a bit more fine tuning here and there. Let's bring in the tools and I'm going to publish again. Publish, same name here, continue. And reload here. This is the published page. Okay, it's taking a bit more space. Okay, so, well, that's how you make a presentation from scratch without having any of the assets ready. I nearly forgot, guys. There's one little thing I want to show you as well, which is it's the latest. It's the latest, the little update that we did, right? So basically, now we have what we call the grid style that you can also change here in the settings. So you just go here, and now we have. You can go borderless. So what it does, it removes the borders that we have in the grid. You know, sometimes you may want that, and it will make like a cleaner layout. But we also have the bento, which is basically puts everything in little containers with rounded corners, which is quite trendy. And here you can change the background or the canvas color, you know, to match it. So we can make this a little bit lighter. Okay. All right, this looks good. This one, we can just make it white as well. All right, that's it. Let's save. Oh, let's publish. Publish it. There we go. And go to our published page, hit reload, and now we have it in bento style. Yeah, so guys, yeah, I'm gonna leave it there for now, but I would love to know what you guys think. Yeah, so let me know what you think in the comments. Hit the likes, subscribe to the channel, or come and join us and make your own brand pages. It's not that difficult, like you can see. Just apply. Leave us your portfolio URL. That if we think you're good enough, we'll give you access into the beta, and you can start playing and making your own brand pages. All right, guys, that's it. See you next time.